Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm bringing you a delicious Cuban milkshake. Not only is it popular in Cuba, but throughout Latin America and the Caribbean islands. Hola mi gente, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta, un batido de mango. Este batido es muy popular en Cuba y toda América Latina y las islas del Caribe. This is a very easy milkshake to make, and it only requires a few ingredients. I'm using 2 mangoes. I'm using 8 ounces of milk, 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and some ice. Este batido es muy simple para hacer. Necesitarás mangos, en mi caso usando 2 mangos, 8 onzas de leche evaporada, pero si prefieres puede usar leche regular y usando 3 cucharas de leche condensada, unas pizquitas de sal, una cucharadita de vainilla y hielo. The first thing you want to do is wash, peel, and then cut your mangoes up into small pieces. Okay, lo primero que quiere hacer, lavar, pilar y cortar los mangos en cuadritos. I'm using only 1 mango for right now, and I'm going to use the other mango in a few minutes. But 2 mangoes would give me 4 servings. Tengo una mini licuadora, por eso usando un mango, esto le da 2 porciones. Now I'm adding in the milk. Next I'm going to add in the vanilla and a pinch of salt. And a pinch of salt is needed because it enhances the sugar, the sweetness. Then lastly is the ice. Now you can add as much ice as you want. It depends on your taste. Voy a echar el resto de los ingredientes y puede cambiar las porciones al gusto, ¿ok? So now we're going to blend everything together. Se mezcla todo muy bien. Mira que rico y gruesito. Now this is what you call a milkshake. This is nice and thick and delicious. Y para el toque final, voy a poner pedazo de mango y menta encima. And this is simply delicious. And this is how you make a batido de mango. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom and also hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, eso es todo por ahora. Gracias por verme. No olvides suscribirse a mi canal y sígueme en Facebook, en mi grupo, Lelita's Cuban Kitchen. Gracias. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.